Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to watch ESPN Plus without a TV provider. Okay, you can actually do this very easy and simple, so let me give you a detailed breakdown. So first, one way is to subscribe to ESPN Plus, right? So you just visit the ESPN Plus website and sign up for a monthly or annual subscription, and then you download the ESPN app, okay, on your smart TV, your phone, your tablet, whatever streaming device it is, right? And then open up the ESPN app and log in with your ESPN credentials, your, username, your password, and then navigate to ESPN Plus, okay? Within the app, go navigate there to that section to access the content. And, these devices that support ESPN Plus include, Apple, Android, iOS, right? For Apple, Amazon Fire devices, Roku, Samsung Smart TVs, Chromecast, PlayStation, Xbox, and much, much more. Okay? You don't actually need a TV provider. You can just subscribe to ESPN Plus. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.